Welcome, Cosmic Seekers. As we embark on this deep astrological journey, we're diving into one of the most significant planetary transits of 2025, Venus in Pisces, its exalted home. This is no ordinary movement. It's a celestial blessing that will influence love, wealth, creativity, and spiritual connections for every zodiac sign. Before we jump into the detailed predictions, let's first understand the essence of Venus, its role in astrology, and what happens when it reaches its exalted or debilitated state. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, luxury, wealth, art, pleasure, and harmony. It governs our relationships, values, desires, and creative expression. In a birth chart, Venus shows how we love, what brings us happiness, and what we seek in pleasure and companionship. Venus also rules Taurus and Libra, two signs that represent earthly stability and balanced relationships, making it a planet of both sensual indulgence and refined elegance. In love and relationships, Venus governs romance, attraction, passion, and commitment. In wealth and luxury, it represents material success, financial stability, and comforts. In creativity and art, it controls artistic talents, music, beauty, and aesthetic sense. In social and personal life, it shapes how we interact, our charm, and our sense of diplomacy. Now that we've understood what Venus represents, let's see how its position in a sign can either amplify or diminish its power. Just like a person thrives in the right environment and struggles in the wrong one, planets have their own strengths and weaknesses depending on the sign they're placed in. Venus finds its highest strength in Pisces, where it is exalted. This means Venus expresses its purest, most divine, and limitless form in this sign. Pisces, ruled by Jupiter and Neptune, is a mystical, imaginative, and deeply spiritual sign. When Venus is in Pisces, its energies manifest in the most romantic, selfless, and artistic way possible. Venus in exaltation gives unconditional love, heightened creativity, spiritual and emotional fulfillment, financial abundance, deep empathy and kindness, and magnetic attraction. People with Venus in Pisces are natural romantics, artistic souls, and deeply intuitive lovers. They see love as divine and boundless, making them selfless givers in relationships. But too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to illusion and escapism. Exalted Venus can also make people overly idealistic in love, prone to romantic fantasies, and sometimes too forgiving, even in toxic relationships. On the opposite end, Venus struggles the most in Virgo, where it is debilitated. Virgo is a practical, analytical, and perfectionist sign ruled by Mercury, which clashes with Venus's need for beauty and pleasure. Venus in debilitation faces lack of romantic imagination, struggles in wealth and luxury, harsh self-criticism, difficulty in expressing affection, and love becomes practical, not passionate. People with Venus in Virgo tend to overanalyze relationships, look for flaws rather than emotions, and struggle with letting go and enjoying romance. They may be great partners in terms of loyalty and service, but their perfectionism can sometimes drain the beauty of love. Venus is one of the most powerful planets when it comes to shaping our happiness, relationships, and luxuries. Whether exalted or debilitated, its influence plays a massive role in our personal and financial lives. Now that we understand what Venus represents and how it behaves in different signs, we're ready to explore its 2025 transit in Pisces and how it will affect each zodiac sign individually. For Cancer natives, Venus will play a crucial role in your financial and career sectors this year, particularly as it moves retrograde in March. Be mindful of financial decisions and avoid major purchases during this period. Saturn in your 8th house suggests transformations and deeper introspection, while Jupiter in the 11th house brings gains through social networks and influential contacts. With Jupiter in the 11th house, income and financial gains will be steady, but expenditures might increase due to social obligations. Avoid risky investments in March due to Venus retrograde. Better financial stability is expected from April onwards. Any pending financial deals, inheritances, or shared resources may take time due to Saturn's influence in the 8th house. It is advisable to focus on long term financial planning rather than quick profits. Career progress will be steady, but Saturn in the 8th house might cause unexpected shifts in professional life. Those in research, finance, occult sciences, or insurance industries will see growth. Venus retrograde in Mars may delay promotions or new job opportunities, but things will improve post April. Business owners should be careful with partnerships. Clear agreements and written documentation are essential to avoid miscommunication. Caution is advised in speculative investments due to Ketu's influence in the third house. Avoid short term trading, especially in the first quarter of the year. Jupiter in the 11th house can bring gains from long term investments and mutual funds after April. Any investment should be well researched and taken with expert advice. Best industries for you would be healthcare, real estate, finance, insurance, and spiritual counseling. Avoid ventures related to fashion, beauty, or entertainment due to Venus's instability this year. Venus retrograde in March could bring emotional distance in relationships, so effective communication is crucial. Singles might find new romantic interests through social circles after April. Married couples should handle financial matters wisely to avoid any kind of conflicts. Jupiter in the 11th house brings support from friends and family in personal matters. Here are some remedies for you. For Venus, wear white or pastel colors on Fridays and offer sweets or rice pudding to young girls. For Saturn, donate black sesame seeds or iron items on Saturdays to mitigate career and transformation related delays. For Jupiter, keep a yellow cloth in your purse and donate turmeric or bananas to temples for financial stability. For emotional balance, wear a silver ring on your little finger and keep a moonstone near your bed to maintain peace in relationships. The stars don't control your destiny, they guide it. Your actions define your path. That's all for today's deep dive into Venus Transit 2025 in Pisces. We've uncovered the mysteries of Venus's exalted and debilitated states and how they shape our love, wealth, and destiny. But this is just the beginning. Stay with us as we decode the impact of this powerful transit on each zodiac sign one by one. At Sitara Ko Safar, our mission is to guide you through the cosmic energies shaping your life. If you're facing any personal challenges related to love, career, health, or finances, you can book a personal consultation with astrologer N. Baksh. For appointments, contact via the WhatsApp number on your screen. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, share with friends and family who love astrology, and subscribe to Sitara Ko Safar and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on your astrological journey. The stars have much more to reveal, so stay connected. We will meet in the next video.